8th standard students, more V chapter 13 we will take later on, direct and inverse proportion, and before that we will take chapter 4 and 5, because these two chapters are in your periodical test. Okay, so already we have done in chapter 3 so many types of quadrilateral. You can see parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, kite, trapezium, so many. Now we will practically how we can draw. In this chapter we will learn. Now introduction, you have learned to how to draw a triangle in class 7th. We know if all the three sides are given, or angle is given between the two sides, so we can draw. So already we require the measurements of sides and angles to draw unique triangle. Unique, that means if you can draw, but if you can change a little bit, again you can get different type of triangle. That means unique, that means only one and one triangle will be with the given measurement. If it is possible, that is the unique. Since three measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether four measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique four-sided closed figure that the name is quadrilateral. If the four sides are only given in the quadrilateral, then what will be happen? We will see in this. Take a pair of sticks and equal lengths to 10 centimeter. Another pair of sticks equal lengths, say 8 centimeter. Hang them suitably to get a rectangle of length this. Fix. You have arranged in this way. Okay, this rectangle has been created with the four available measurement. Okay, now just to push along the breadth of rectangle. Slide, you will change the breadth. So new shape you will, here you rectangle you are getting, and slide change. If you will take slide, slanting the breadth, you will get a new shape of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. And the measurement the measurements of sides remain the same. You can see here 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, but the shape quadrilateral is there, but different type of quadrilateral you are getting, that is rhombus. Now if you will change a slide in this way, in this direction, so again you will get different shape, that is also a parallelogram. So it's a proof that only four sides are not enough to draw a unique quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is possible, we can draw, but it will be not unique. This shows this that four measurements of a quadrilateral cannot determine it uniquely. Now we will see in the next page, can five measurements determine a quadrilateral uniquely? So let's see on the next page what they have done. You have constructed a rectangle with two sticks each of length 10 centimeter and other two sticks each of length 8 centimeter. Now introduce another stick to length equal to BD and tie it along BD. If you push the breadth now, does the shape change? No, because fixed shape you are getting because of this diagonal. So it cannot without making the figure open. The introduction of the fifth stick has fixed the rectangle uniquely. There is no quadrilateral with the given lengths of sides. Now thus we observe that only five measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely with the sides and angles. So for that we will consider this question. Arshad has five measurements of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. These are AB equal to this, A equal to this, AC equal to this, BD equal to 5 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter. Can he construct a unique quadrilateral? Give reason for your answer. Now see, already I have drawn here because on the green board this chapter is not possible, so I am teaching this chapter in the notebook. Now you can see, students, I have drawn AB equal to 5 centimeter. You can see now angle A formed BAX 50 degree, and with the help of rounder I have put rounder's needle here and a radius 4 centimeter. Draw an arc which intersect this ray as XC. AC is equal to 4 centimeter, and from the B point 5 centimeter, by taking 5 centimeter radius, draw an arc, and then from A 6 centimeter radius I have taken, and draw an arc from here. So you will try why it is not a unique quadrilateral. Then why what I have joined this A to D and B to D and C to D. So quadrilateral is forming or not forming, and why it is a unique quadrilateral or why it is not a unique quadrilateral. Okay, you will find the answer of this. Clear? So practically when you will do, it will be not possible to draw a quadrilateral. So the conclusion is that constructing a quadrilateral, how many things we require to fix and to get a unique shape, unique quadrilateral. So we shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements: when 4 sides, 1 diagonal, 2 diagonals, 3 sides, 2 adjacent sides, and 3 angles are given. Adjacent sides, that means common vertex, one common point should be there. Okay, when 3 end point, one end point should be common. When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. When other special properties are known. Now see, when the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal are given, then we will draw a quadrilateral. Okay, so construct a quadrilateral. PQRS, PQ is this, QR this, R is this, PS and PR. So whatever we will do, and a final figure we will draw, and whatever we are doing we will write in the steps of construction. Okay. Now see the given measurement in the illustration. So first we will draw rough diagram. Suppose that we are taking PQ. You can see PQ we are taking, okay, 4 centimeter. So 2 common points, P2, Q2R we can draw, and P2R is there, yes, P2R also. So what we will do, suppose that we are taking P2R 7 centimeter, so draw a big arc, and then Q2R 6 centimeters, so drawn. Then we get R point we are getting, and then we can draw P2S 5.5 centimeters, so draw an arc 5.5, and R2S or Q2S, so R2S 5 centimeters, so 5. So the possible. Now every point is fixed. You can see here it is fixed. The length is given. So let us start. So you can see my diagram here. I have taken first PQ equal to 4 centimeter, then help of the rounder, taken radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc, and if you are getting big arc, you can see here the big arc, only intersecting point, that means you can drop in the small arc, only intersecting point, children. Okay, so only, so your diagram will look like clean. So PQ equal to 4 centimeter, then open the radius with the help of ruler, keep your rounder's needle here, draw an big arc, then from Q draw another arc, you will get intersecting point, join P2R and Q2R, so you will triangle, first you will get, now P and measure 5.5 centimeter radius, rounder's needle you will keep here and draw an arc. Then from R, by taking 5 centimeter radius, draw another arc. When you will draw the intersecting point, you will get S. Join P to S and R to S, you will get your quadrilateral. So steps of constructions, what we are doing, we have to write. Okay, suppose first I have drawn, whatever I am doing, I will write. Steps of constructions. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Now after that, what I have done? Now PA is a center and taking radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay. Now Q as a center and by taking radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc. It will intersect first arc at a point R. Join P to R and Q to R. Okay. PR equal to 7 centimeter, QR equal to 6 centimeter. Next step, now P as a center and taking radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now R as a center and by taking radius 5 centimeter, draw another arc which intersects first arc at the point S. Okay, join P to S and R to S. P, Q, R, S is the required quadrilateral where PQ equal to this, QR equal to this, R is equal to this. But in the textbook, you can see the textbook, they are drawing first a diagonal. So you will get this type of, you can see the figure. So as you wish, whichever way you want, you can draw. Now start from think, discuss and write. We saw that 5 measurements of a quadrilateral can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. Do you think any 5 measurements of the quadrilateral can do this? Can you draw a parallelogram BATS where BA, AT and AS? Now can you draw a rhombus ZEAL where ZE diagonal? Okay. A student attempted to draw a quadrilateral PLAY play where PL equal to this, LA equal to this and AY is equal to this and PY equal to this and LY equal to 6 centimeter but could not draw it. What is the reason? Discuss it using a rough sketch. Okay, so let us start these 3 questions. Children, any 5 measurement or not describe the unique quadrilateral? Related to 5 measurements, we have already seen in the first thing can discuss. Angle is given but the intersecting point we were not getting. Okay, now we'll see in the parallelogram. So see here, in first we will draw rough sketch of parallelogram. In that rough sketch A, so BATS, bats. But we know that in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so longest side I have decided. If you want to draw with the help of diagonal, I have no problem, you can draw, but I am starting from here. I am constructing my figure in this way. First we will draw AT 6 centimeter. Now see here, common point S we can draw with the help of the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So 6, 6, 5, 5. So common S point. So here we can get from S to B and A to B we can get. So it's possible. So let us start. Let's see what happened. So first A, T we will draw. Rough diagram you will draw, and then fair diagram you will draw. So first we will, with the help of ruler, we will draw a 6 centimeter line segment. You can see. Now with the help of rounder, take radius 5 centimeter and A, T as a center, you will draw an arc. After that 6.5 centimeter and A as a center, you will draw and you will get the intersecting point. Intersecting point you will give the name S. Okay. Now from what you will do, A as a center and taking radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc. From A 6 centimeter, draw another arc. So you will get the point B. So you will get the parallelogram. Now steps of construction, how you will write, see here. First what you have done, first draw a line segment 8 equal to 6 centimeter. Then A is a center, by taking radius 6.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now T is a center, draw another arc which intersects first arc at point C. Join A to S and T to S. Now A is a center and taking radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now S is a center and taking radius, by taking radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc which intersects first arc at B. Join A to B, S to B. So B, A, T, S are required parallelogram. Now same in the next question, we have to draw a rhombus. So what happened when we rough diagram? In the rhombus we know that all the sides are equal. All the sides you can see. Okay. So 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 and so first what you will do? First you will draw a line segment ZE equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then from Z to here A and here L point are there. Okay. Now what you can do, with the help of with the help of rounder, from Z you will draw an arc by taking radius 3.5 centimeter and LE or EL. So 5 centimeter taking radius and draw another arc which intersects first arc at L. Join Z to L, E to L. Then you know that both the sides are equal. So now after that what you will do, 3.5 centimeter radius you will take, L as a center, draw an arc, E as a center, draw another arc which intersects first arc at A. Join L to A and E to A. Z, E, A, L is the required rhombus you will get. Now how you will, steps of constructions, compulsory you have to write. So first, with the help of ruler, draw a line segment Z equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now E as a center and by taking radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now Z as a center and taking radius 3.5 centimeter, draw another arc which intersects first arc at L. Join E to L, Z to L. Now L as a center and by taking radius 3.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Now E as a center and by taking radius 3.5 centimeter, draw another arc which intersects first arc at A. Join E to A, L to A. Z, E, A, L is the required rhombus where Z equal to this and EL equal to this. Okay. Now next, rough figure if you will draw here. So P L A Y, quadrilateral is given where the 5 measurements are given, all the sides of quadrilateral and one diagonal. So let us try. But I have tried. So what happened when we are writing when we are drawing the line segment with measurement PL equal to 3 centimeter, and now the common point L to Y and P to Y we can draw. Okay, so L as a center and I have taken 6 centimeter radius. So arc you can see, and now P as a center and taking radius. If I am taking radius 2 centimeter, the another arc is this. That means both the arc are not intersecting at any point. So the quadrilateral is not possible. So any 5 measurements, here also 5 measurements are given, but unique quadrilateral we can get only with the required 5 measurements. Okay, because we are not getting intersecting point. If L to A 4 centimeter is there, Y to A, but we are not getting Y point. Okay, so it's not possible.